He is Sydney's most feared chef. He is the home of fast food fight. He creates fast food dishes at minimum cost. Who is he? It's Chris from Mode Munch. That's who he is.
This is Chris from Mode Munch.
Hi guys, it's Foodie Track here. Please make sure to subscribe to Mode Munch's channel. Today I'll be doing Turkish sausage rolls. So you need the sausage roll maker. The famous sausage roll maker from Kmart. Puff pastry. I'm using Borgs today from Woolies. 2 eggs. Sucuk, also known as Turkish sausage. And mozzarella. And of course, a bit of salt and pepper according to your taste buds. I'll be showing you guys how I'm making the Turkish sausage roll right now. Look at that, guys. Look at that. And now for the taste test. Nice and crunchy. Oh. This is magnificent, guys. I'm gonna smash all this for sure. Thanks for watching, guys. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit like button, and see you next time.